Welcome, this is Rituparna for Channel NE24. Villagers have raised allegation against a Jivika Sakhi for corruption related to the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana PMAY. They claim that the Jivika Sakhi is involved in irregularities during the geotagging process. Hundreds of residents have voiced concerns accusing her of corruption. In the Shastrinagar and Bagan areas under the Chota Dudh Patil Gram Panchayat of Kachar district, many extremely poor families have been deprived of housing under the PMAY scheme. The condition of many of these families' homes is dire, some living in dangerously dilapidated mud houses, while others reside in extremely fragile bamboo huts. For more news and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page to stay connected with us.
আপনার নাম কি?
সাবিত্রী রায়।
আচ্ছা,
আমি একাই নির্ভয়, আমার কেউ নাই।
ও, ছেলে মেয়ে?
কেউ নাই, কেউ নাই, স্বামীও নাই, বাচ্চাও নাই, কেউ নাই আমার।
আপনার ঘর পাইছেন না?